Hi children, in today's exercise, we give you jumbled sentences. You will rearrange them and form a lovely sentence with a capital letter and a full stop. So the full time, you're going to rearrange the words. Begin with the capital letter and make a sentence, end it with a full stop. So let's look at, this is a very interesting exercise of rewrite the jumbled sentence with a capital letter and full stop. It's a very interesting exercise. I hope you'll enjoy it. Shall we take our first sentence? Good. Look what you have here. Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words. This is what? Shrub. Good. Now, green are the shrub. So we have to make sense. We have to rearrange these words and make sense and begin with the capital letter, end with the full. Now let's look now. Green are the shrubs. So how will you arrange? How will it make sense? What can we say? The shrubs. Very good. The shrubs are green. The shrubs are green. Now, the here is only small letter, but because we are put right in front, the shrub, here we write capital letter. The shrubs are green. So it's made the sentences clear. Now we end it with the full stop. The capital letter, the full stop, we have to see that it is there, and the sentence should make sense. The jumbled words are rearranged and it should make complete sense. The shrubs are green. Now can you see all these shrubs? They are green. Good. Let's take the next picture. Look at the words. Let us rearrange them to make a beautiful sentence with a capital letter and full stop. Is colorful garden the? Okay? Is the colorful garden the? So now, what is this now? Garden. So we'll write the garden. The garden is colorful. That makes sense? Yes. The garden. Now the first word we put capital letter. The garden is colorful. It makes sense. At the end, we end it with a full stop. Now read. The garden is colorful. The beautiful sentence we are made rearranging these words, isn't it? Capital letter, full stop. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look at the words given to us. Shows, clock, the, time, the. What do you see here? Clock. Let's put the words together. Because this is a clock, okay? So what can we say? The clock, okay, shows the time. The clock shows the time. Is it correct? Yes. Now, the first letter is capital. The clock shows the time. Full stop. T capital, and to the floor. Read the sentence again. Does it make sense? The clock shows the time. Correct? The clock shows the time. Capital letter, full stop. The sentence does make sense. Good. Let's take a new picture. Let's look. Park. Is this. What does it look like? Park. Now let's rearrange this and make a beautiful sentence. This. Good. This is a park. So T begins with the capital letter. This is a park. Ends with the full stop. So we arranged these words and made a beautiful sentence. This is a park. Read it with me. This is a park. The sentence begins with a capital letter, ends with the full stop. This is a park. Good. Let's take another picture. Look. The two kids playing. Who are they? Friends. Okay. Are friends good? They. You have they here. Good friends are. So let's make the sentence now. Let's put down both these children together. We say they. They. So we write the word they first and T capital letter. They are. They are good friends. T capital. They are good friends. Ends with the full stop. They are good friends. Read the sentence with me after having rearranged. They are good friends. Begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. Good. Are you enjoying this exercise? Good. Let's take a new one. Look what you have here. Look at the words. Let's read aloud. Raining. Is it heavily? Okay? So here it is raining. Okay, now let's rearrange. So what will you write? First will be it is raining heavily. It is the first word, I capital. It is raining heavily. We end it with the full stop. It is raining heavily. Read with me. It is raining heavily. Good. Are you enjoying rearranging, making sentence that makes sense? Capital letter begins and ends with a full stop. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Look what you have here. Look. Bath is taking Jack. Okay? Jack is there. Bath is there, is taking. Who's taking bath? Jack. So we'll say Jack, we'll put first. J capital. Jack is taking bath. Jack is taking bath. J capital because it begins with a capital letter. At the end, we put a full stop. Jack is taking bath. Let's take a new picture. Here is a boy ready to clean, okay? Clean, first word. Keep, room, your. Clean, keep, room, your. These are the 4 words given to us. Okay? Now, let us rearrange and make a good sentence. First word, can we have keep? Yes. Keep. K capital. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. K capital ends with a full stop. Keep your room clean. After having rearranged, let's read it again. Keep your room clean. Capital letter ends with the full stop. Are you enjoying this exercise? Good. Let's take another. Look at this. There are 2 kids here. Let's read this word. Book. They are reading a. Now, they, both the children together, you say, they are reading a book. They are reading a book. They. It begins with a capital letter, ends with the full stop after the book. Now read. They are reading a book. Good. Shall we look at another? Look. Look at this. What animal is this? A snail. Good. Slow snail is animal A. Slow snail is animal A. So what shall we write first? Yes, snail. And S capital. Snail is a slow animal. Good. Snail is a slow animal. Snail, we begin with the capital letter, and at the end we have a full stop. Now read with me. Snail is a slow animal. We learn to rearrange the words, formed a beautiful sentence with a capital letter and full stop. I hope you enjoyed this exercise.